no, no. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This time I am reviewing the wig from MyFirstWig. Everything about her will be in my description box. Pause to read that so y'all can see what she's talking about. So let's jump right into this install. I decided to pick a bob wig. Even though bob wigs and fall and winter time, you know, you kind of want to have long hair around this time, but it was just screaming classy fall girl, okay? You know how you have some wigs where you straighten it and you got to kind of keep bumping it after a certain time because you wanted to get that bone straightness? Y'all, this hair gave me no trouble at all. Yes, so while I am straightening her, she is just, oh my gosh, she's just falling in the right places. I don't have to do too much of like added pressure to the flat irons. Like she just went on and just laid, y'all. The highlights in this hair is beautiful. I love the light brown highlight. I love how flowy this is. I love how full this hair is. So I am testing her out to see what I need to do as far as cutting the lace and everything. And y'all, look at how she flows, okay?
Yeah, what's up? You know the beginning of the so they call you Bob. Stop playing me. Nothing off for the Bob.
Period. Making me feel like Santana, okay? We're gonna spray her up. I did peep another hack on TikTok where people are using rubbing alcohol in their foundation color and mixing it together and making a lace tint. I wanted to try it, but then I was looking at the comments and it was like, it will eat away at your lace and the glue ain't gonna stick. It ain't gonna glue. The glue ain't gonna glue. And I'm like, never mind. I'll stick with my tint spray. Of course, we have to flatten up that top, kind of giving Humpty Dumpty, so we're going to flatten that out. But in the end, I ended up doing like a side part with her. You love easy installs and quality? Y'all, get y'all MyFirstWig. Mind y'all, I did not have to pluck. My hand was twitching a little bit because I wanted to just pluck her just a little bit. But over time, if you over pluck, that headline is gonna come out real trash and it's gonna thin out. And now you ain't got no headline, you got bald spots. So I'm like, nope, let me go ahead and just leave her alone. overall, I had more pros than cons about this hair. Of course, I will put that price below so y'all can see what she's working with, but you can never put a price on quality. I'd rather have quality over quantity of wigs, especially if this wig comes as easy as it does. So if you are a beginner, this is the perfect wig for you if you are just trying to put on a wig and go. The texture was beautiful, the color was beautiful, and of course this install was extremely beginner friendly and easy. So I would like to thank MyFirstWig for sending me this unit to review for you guys. And like always, thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
What a day, what a day.